Alright, Beta wants cough syrup, so I'm going to give it to him.
We feel it's a good idea.
Yeah.
You're going to cane all that?
Go on then, Beta, down.
It's got glucose in it, Beta.
It's good for you.
It's got DX.
All of it. There we go.
I bet it tastes quite nice.
But you know that's loaded with DXM, which is a mild benzodine.
What's that then?
It's like a mild antidepressant. You drink an entire bottle of it and you go to a state of euphoria.
But it's not. That James just make a load of
I'll
bottles.
bet you it. Don't try and do it with me.
He's going to be so euphoric, he'll be beating himself a bit later, I expect.
Or you'll be beating him.
Well, he'll be beating himself anyway.
Well, yeah.
Everyone. Without the use of anything else.